we are not going to have any charges for any licenses for purposes of exporting your miraa to the new market or to any other market. As the Minister for Agriculture, I have waived all licenses, all requirements at the national level, so that the people of miraa who have suffered for many years can recover without being taxed anything. I'm also asking the county government of Meru to waive its fees, its exorbitant fees that it charges in every market, so that we can have this sector recover without any problems. I will ensure at the national level, because of the problems the farmers and the traders of miraa have been facing, there will be no charges for any license or any approvals for those who are exporting miraa to any destination in the globe, whether it is Mogadishu, whether it is Europe, wherever you are exporting miraa. We'll ensure you do it for free now as a measure of recovery from COVID and loss of market for many years.